Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese fries. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 large russet potatoes, 1 quart of vegetable oil, and 8 ounces of your favorite melting cheese, like cheddar or Monterey Jack. Having everything ready before you begin ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking process. Let's get started on this delicious journey together. Now, let's get those fries perfectly crispy. Carefully heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry your potato sticks in small, manageable batches for about 5 to 7 minutes each, ensuring they turn a beautiful golden brown. This prevents overcrowding and guarantees maximum crispiness. Once cooked, immediately transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any extra oil. The heart of our cheese fries is a rich, creamy sauce. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour for 1 minute to create a roux. Slowly pour in 1 cup of whole milk, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens. Finally, remove from heat and stir in 1½ cups of shredded cheddar cheese until it's completely smooth and velvety. It's time for the grand finale. Arrange your hot, crispy fries on a serving platter or individual plates. Now, generously pour that warm, luscious cheese sauce all over them, ensuring every fry is coated in cheesy goodness. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with some fresh chopped chives or crispy bacon bits. Serve immediately and enjoy your incredibly delicious homemade cheese fries.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.